How to get Disney Plus. First, navigate to disneyplus.com. If you find this video helpful and want to support my work at no extra cost to you, you can use my affiliate link in the description. It takes you directly to disneyplus.com. You'll immediately see several bundle options on the front page. For example, Disney Plus with Hulu, Disney Plus with Hulu and Max, and Disney Plus with Hulu and ESPN. If you want these bundles, you can simply select the one you prefer and continue. But if you're looking for Disney Plus by itself, it's a little more hidden. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the home page and click Disney. Here, you'll see the same bundle plans again. To get the standalone Disney Plus plan, scroll down and click Learn About Plans and Pricing from Help Center. Here, click Disney Plus Standalone Plans. You can choose between Standard Plan or Premium ad-free version. Next, you'll be creating your Disney Plus account. So you'll enter your email, password, and your birth date. Once you continue, you see the plan you selected, and you'll be asked to add your payment method. When you're ready, click Agree and subscribe. Now you can log in with your new Disney Plus account and start watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please consider signing up through the link in the description. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.